Get ready to whip up some fun and learn the essential kitchen items vocabulary. Let's start with
Kitchen appliances,
refrigerator, stove, oven, microwave, toaster, blender. Now let's talk about cookware, pot, pan, bowl, plate. Here comes utensils, spoon, fork, knife, whisk, spatula, rolling pin, measuring cups, measuring spoons, grater, peeler. Food and ingredients, fruits, veggies, meat, dairy products, spices, other kitchen items, sink, dishwasher, trash can, kitchen towel or tissue paper. Thanks for cooking up some knowledge with us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tasty vocabulary videos.